Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about one of the most common functions in Excel, and that is the pie graph. To make a pie graph, you will need a pre-existing data like this one over here. I have stated the corresponding electricity bill per month for every month of the year, starting from January all the way to December. So to make a pie graph, it's fairly easy. Just head towards the Insert tab and go straight to the Charts menu. You will see a pie icon in the Charts menu. Be sure to remember that. It's this one right here. After that, you should go ahead and select your data. Go ahead and click on January and drag down all the way to December, and make sure to include the electricity bill itself. After selecting the data, you can easily click on the pie graph and click on the first thing that appears. And there we have it. We can move the pie graph that is created that represents our data near the data itself. Now, as you can see, it looks kind of bland. So let's go ahead and be creative with it. We can change the size of the pie graph by dragging the corner of the graph, as shown on the screen. There we go. We can also change the title by double-clicking on the title or just highlighting the title itself. Let's go ahead and change it to electricity bill. And there we have it. We can still be creative with our graph. Go ahead to the Chart Styles menu and go to Change Colors. We can pick any color palette or any color scheme we want based on what we have. For our graph, something like orange would be great. So let's go ahead and do that. We can also try going for another color scheme, so we can compare if it's better or worse. We should actually choose a distinct one since something with similar colors would be too confusing. Let's try this one. There we go. We can also change the chart styles itself in the Chart Styles menu. Let's go ahead and pick anything we want. This here looks nice. Due to the darker background, I think we should change the color to this one instead. It looks way better. And there we have it. That is how we make a pie graph in Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.